Welcome to our in-depth exploration of Fedora 41, the latest release from the Fedora project, unveiled on October 29, 2024. This version introduces a host of innovative features and enhancements designed to elevate your computing experience. A new way to work. Fedora 41 debuts the Miracle Window Manager, a tiling window manager based on the MIR Compositor library. Miracle offers manual tiling, floating window support, and compatibility with various Wayland protocols, including proprietary NVIDIA driver support. This ensures a high-quality Wayland experience across diverse platforms, from low-end ARM to x86 devices. Now let's talk about the security and performance. This release emphasizes security and performance. Hardened kernel. Fedora 41 incorporates a hardened Linux kernel, enhancing system security and stability. Python 3.13. The system updates to Python 3.13, offering improved performance and new features for developers. Removal of Python 2. Reflecting a commitment to modern software practices, Fedora 41 retires Python 2, focuses solely on Python 3 and beyond. Now let's talk about the developer Powerhouse. Fedora 41 is a robust platform for developers. Node.js 22.x. The system includes Node.js 22.x, the latest long-term support version, facilitating modern JavaScript development. Perl 5.40. Developers can leverage Perl 5.40, bringing numerous enhancements from over a year of development. PyTorch 2.4. The integration of PyTorch 2.4 supports advanced machine learning and AI projects. Now let's talk about the future of Fedora. Fedora's roadmap showcases a dedication to innovation. Upcoming features. Future releases aim to enhance user experience and system capabilities, building on Fedora 41's foundation. Now, community engagement. The Fedora project thrives on community contributions, inviting users worldwide to participate in its evolution. Now let's talk about the upgrading. Transitioning to Fedora 41 is straightforward. Let's talk about the upgrade guide. Detailed instructions are available to ensure a seamless update from previous versions. Benefits. Upgrading grants access to the latest features, security patches, and performance enhancements. Now finally, the support resources. Engage with the Fedora community through forums and support channels for assistance and collaboration. Embrace the advancements of Fedora 41 to enhance your computing environment today. Thanks for watching. Peace out.